let's unbox and put the PopStyle bracelet maker to the test. I got this for my daughter. Let's see how cool it is. Popping it open, here's how it comes. It comes with a variety of charms you can put on the bracelets, and there's even more charms. And then a bunch of bracelet bands themselves. And then this is the main bracelet making piece. And it goes right on top by clipping it in. Now let's make a bracelet close up. So before I make a bracelet, I want to show that everything can go in here. This has all these different great beads, and you can put all of those beads in here as well. So once you're finished, this can be your entire set. And this is very hard to see, but these are actual letters, so you can label your beads with letters. Now creating is really simple. Just grab 2 of these strands and pop them on here. And then once those are on, you just push this out. And now it's really, really easy to pop the beads right on. All of the beads are basically these cool little clasps, and they really do just go right on as easy as that. So right here, I can just take this, pop it over the top, pop it over the bottom. Let's just add a whole bunch and see what we can make. And then when you have all the pieces on, just press the top, and now I have the bracelet. Super fast, really playful way to make bracelets. They even would fit on my wrist. They're just elastic, so they just slide right on. And while they're meant for kids' wrists, they do still fit an adult wrist. They're just a little tight, still cute. This is great as a gift if your child loves to accessorize. This is also really fun for parties. If you got a few of these and everyone had turns making bracelets, what a great party favor.